Here's a short video on this 2022 CKR Blue Shark. This is a one race old chassis and engine. Engine was dynoed, broke in on the dyno, has one race on it. It was a Pro Kart challenge at Cal Speed. Kart was driven by Eric Molinati. Lightweight battery. This is a unpainted chassis, saves a little bit of weight. Has everything that we race with, including the nylon bar, accelerator cable holder. This engine is definitely top level. If you want to go race super nats, this would be a great package to pick up and take down to Vegas. Comes with MyChron 5, AMV wheels all the way around. It also comes with AMV hubs. I'll put a new set of Hoosier R60 tires on this for you before it ships. Then 11 brakes. Set up and ready to go. Has the EGT already plumbed in. Extremely nice cart. Bodywork is all in fantastic shape. No bumps and bruises. Bottom of the cart, there's nothing there. Basically buying a brand new top level 100cc package. This is available through our website. You can pick it up from our commercial cart shop, or we can ship it to you. We ship nationwide. You can purchase online or just give me a call. I prefer to send a ACH bank transfer because it saves me the credit card fee. We are a commercial shop, so I try and save wherever we can to pay the bills and stay open for you. I'll post a link in the comments for this cart right here. We also have others. Here's another one coming up. It's already posted on the website. And we've got a couple of KZs I'll be adding as well. Thanks.